Christian, we have a slide on the different websites that people can look at to try and figure out that information. The websites where you can get, you can start looking for apartments. If you look at that list, Christian, are there any here that you think are particularly useful, or some that aren't that useful, or some others that you might recommend?
Yeah, I really like apartments.com verifies who puts their information in. Hotpads.com is a very good way to figure out your competition on the property to see how much the area and how much value that apartment is. Zillow Rental Network and Truly are both part of Hotpads. So all three of those kind of run together. So they all work very well. And then realtor.com has some apartments on it. The one I would really kind of stick away from is Craigslist, to be honest. Craigslist is full of scams. And what they do is you reach out to them. They say, hey, I'm out of town. Please fill out this application, wire me some money, and then I'll give you the access to the apartment. And when you do that, you've lost your money, you're gone, and you do not have the apartment. So the biggest thing you have to worry about any of these websites is there can be scams out there. And the most important thing is to go to the property if you can, meet the individual, see the property firsthand, and then apply. Because if you just apply online, not through like a large company website, but through like through the email, and you wire that money in, you have a high chance that you're going to be scammed. You're going to lose out on that money.
Okay, so that's a very important warning for everybody to be careful of and not get scammed where you don't know, you don't know what you don't know. And that's why it's so important to be watching onwards and upwards, because you can hear this information from the experts like Christian and learn about what to do and what not to do.